What is up, YouTube? It's your girl JT, y'all, and I am back with another reaction video, y'all. Back with another Dave, y'all. We got Dave, 2 birds, no stones, okay? We got my homeboy Dave, okay? He be killing it. He be killing it. Shout out to him winning that award. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all, before I get into the video, y'all, make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the post notifications. You have to turn the post notifications, then you haven't been saved. But if you do have it on, then you've been saved by your girl JT, y'all. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you've been saved. Like I said, follow my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and put in the requests there, okay? And I will go ahead and I'll get back to it real soon. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like I said once again, okay? Because you have been saved. You won't miss any good contents, okay? And yeah, before I get into it, you know what I'm saying? I was going to say something else. Oh, fuck it, whatever. Anyways, y'all, let's get right to the video.
Look, I can kill 2 birds with no stones. Just let life do it. So
he said he could kill 2 birds with no stones. Okay, somebody got enlightenment on that.
Look, I can kill 2 birds with no stones. Just let life do it. Success is in the stone's throw. The scene's a fucking mosh pit. I'm sitting in my own row. Man are just clones though. Copying a trend until it dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough. And I ain't focused either. People wanna eat but can't show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no. Don't bother, it's a no-bro. Your future looking copper, mine 20-carat rose gold. It's funny how I met faith and no hope. Music games.
It's funny how he met faith with no hope. Oh man.
People wanna eat but can't show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no. Don't bother, it's a no-bro. Your future looking copper, mine 20-carat rose gold. It's funny how I met faith and no hope. Music games slow-mo. Days I saw no growth, but Christian doing promo. Hell, sleet, cold, snow, and people wouldn't know though. When everything was blessed, before we went solo. We had man them on a Camden like Coco. Dead telling lies, I got pride like Soho. I'm a tour guide on a cruise ship, I'm trying to showboat. It's actually true. Cause when you count the groundwork, I'm actually new. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful. Cause you want someone to blow until they actually do. And then they're pop stars. My end's still hot, I slip not, I'm a rock star. I'm on this road alone. My bro's in the trap, he got sticky fingers, rolling stones. And on the other line, we got Jack Bennon. From Canada to London, lawyers and gunmen. Being by yourself can make the best of things redundant. I feel
being by yourself can make the best things redundant. That is so true. Once you being by yourself, it's like you just want to keep going and achieve things, you know. I mean, you don't really have to have nobody, but you know, you just always have to keep that mindset, you know. The 2 birds and no stones. And just let the life do it. That was a deep line. That was real.
Everything and nothing, man, I'm empty. I'm really on the edge, so don't tempt me to pick up something lengthy. Don't ever say I've changed. I'm on the bus and train with my headphones every day. You people don't rate the nerve to send shade. Like I never sent the message to your brother, use your brain. Put down your blade, like I never took the train to Essex in the rain for a session on my J's, my girl, my mates. Like I never fucking worked for this. When drill was the wave, I made a lane and then I nurtured it. And now you wanna talk like I never fucking deserved this shit. Like it all came quick to me, like I never wrote picture me. Literally, half the people dissing me ain't ever done a thing for me. You must be raised differently.
Half the people diss him didn't done a thing for him. It's crazy, huh? It's just crazy.
Respect, I didn't see, I'll hate you till I'm dead. I'm triple super saiyan when I flex on my pagans and my
what he said after that?
If I'm staying just for sex. Dissing me ain't ever done a thing for me. You must be raised differently. Disrespect, I didn't.
Oh, you must be raised differently.
See, I'll hate you till I'm dead. I'm triple super saiyan when I flex on my pagans and my ex. They question if I'm staying just for sex, but I wonder what was playing on your head when you were laying on my bed. I'm just saying, no offense, I'm super cool. Don't be shy, love. Using me to dig for gold. It's It's ironic cause your intentions are minor, I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person guest list and some vodka on my rider. It's weird when you level with a person and they treat you like you're higher, or treat you like you're different. She said my music's like silk, it's inspired her. I'm more like apples, I'm inside her. I'm lonely and nothing more. 8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment. She thinks I'm gonna dash, I'll let her link me like underscores. Ungrateful breed, these girls always want something more. Please don't annoy me, I may have called you princess, I ain't treating you like royalty. It's been less than 3 days, why you asking for my loyalty? Just look at what we went and done. I could have been anyone, this is something that I've never done. You say that line to everyone from 17 to 21.
Well, Dave be coming with the bars, man. Shout out to Dave, y'all.
You went from a 90-day rule and a checklist to screaming in a pillow with some talking and a neck kiss. Are you telling me that every single person you connect with can whisper in your ear and then just get inside your best bits? This game's so confusing, I don't know what I want from this. A virgin before music, girls came with my accomplishments, and now I don't believe their praise and all their compliments. I take my insecurities and hide them all in confidence. I'll tell you this in
he take all his insecurities and hide them in his confidence. Everybody have insecurity issues, man. I have them. But I have confidence at the same time. You know, I love myself. You know, I may have a little insecure moments then and there. It comes and go. I mean, we all human. We all gonna feel how we feel. You know. But I still got the confidence though. You know, you're just not gonna stop. You're not gonna bring me down by like me having confidence. You know.
Confidence, I'm young and I'm free. But do you know how much it hurts me? They don't love me for me. It's crowded in our scene, and people, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
Dave said his part, man. Such a beautiful sight. Oh my God. 2 birds and no stones. And some of the lines he done said in there, man, it was pretty deep, to be honest with y'all. It was pretty deep. That was pretty deep. He did that. Shout out to Dave. That was some real shit. See, that's what I like to hear. Like actual speaking and meanings where I can know and understand. You know, that's what I like to hear. You know. Anyways, y'all, if y'all like to get that video, make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications. You haven't turned post notifications, then you haven't been saved. But if you do have it on, then you've been saved by your girl JT, y'all. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you've been saved. Like I say, follow my social media, request the songs, and I'll get back to it real soon. And what else I want to say? And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, alright? And stay tuned for another content, y'all. Stay tuned for the reaction. All the other reactions coming up soon. So please be patient with me, okay? I am getting there. You know, it's a lot, but hey, I have something to react to. You know, I can keep up with. And yeah, y'all. See y'all for another reaction, y'all. And I am out.